This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook gruel. This hearty, simple dish provides excellent nutrition, making it a wonderful meal any time of day. You will need just a few basic ingredients to start: a cereal grain like oats or cornmeal, a liquid such as water or milk, and a small amount of salt for seasoning. For a standard portion, begin with about 1/2 cup of your chosen grain, ensuring it is fresh and free from any impurities. Begin by carefully measuring your chosen grain. For example, if you are using 1/2 cup of oats, you will need 2 cups of water or milk to achieve a creamy consistency. Some grains, such as rice or barley, benefit from a quick rinse under cool, running water before cooking. This simple step helps remove extra starches, resulting in a clearer, more distinct flavor in your final dish. Now, combine your measured grain, liquid, and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a sturdy saucepan. Place the pan over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Remember to stir occasionally during this stage to prevent the grains from sticking to the bottom. Once it reaches a boil, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot, and let it simmer. Allow your gruel to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring every few minutes to ensure even cooking and to prevent lumps. The grains should soften significantly and absorb most of the liquid, creating a thick, porridge-like consistency. If it becomes too thick too quickly, simply add another 1/4 cup of liquid. Always taste and adjust your seasoning before serving, adding more salt or perhaps a spoonful of honey for sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.